I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making pairing easy. Ensure your AirPods have charge and are physically near the Apple Watch. Once done, on the watch open Settings Bluetooth or swipe up to the control center and tap the audio tile to search. If your AirPods model needs it, press the Case Setup button, otherwise keep them out of case. This initiates the discovery process so the watch can see the AirPods directly, avoiding iPhone routing and speeding pairing. You now complete the connection by selecting your AirPods from the watch's Bluetooth list and tapping Connect. The watch displays pairing progress and status so you know when it's done. Once connected, make sure Auto Connect is enabled and choose Playback Preferences so music and calls route to the watch first. If you use multiple devices, select your AirPods for the watch explicitly to avoid switching. This prevents the iPhone from hijacking audio during work. You finish by testing audio. Play a quick song or record a voice memo to confirm output and mic function, making sure volume and haptics are set appropriately. If audio doesn't route, toggle Bluetooth on the watch, restart both the watch and the AirPods, then try connecting again. This clears transient state. If problems persist, unpair and reset the AirPods, then repair. This resets profiles and resolves stubborn pairing conflicts, so the watch controls audio reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.